Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to unbox my new Notiq planner. So this will be my second Notiq planner. Viv was so kind to send me a planner and I'm super excited about it. So I am currently in this planner. So one thing that you should know, if you don't know about planners, is that when you're dealing with like TNs, like string bound planners or ring bound planners, the guts we often keep the same. But it's the outside covers, the agendas that we normally, switch up and try to make, just seasonal or make it just give it a fresh look or whatever the case is. So no, I'm not changing any of my guts, but I will be changing my planner cover. So I have with me my new box and I have my, what do y'all, people make fun of me for this. What is this called? A box cutter. And you need a box cutter to get in a box, so I don't know what the issue is. So anyway, here is the box that was sent to me, and it has some like Notiq tape on it. It has the Notiq design, so we stand that. So let's go ahead and open the box. Okay, so here is what it looks like opening up. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel her. Okay, some things have flown out. We have this came out of here. It's a pen and it's like a little pen case. So this is one of her like luxury pens, I think, and it is a gel tip. And then we have this little package here. We have a note from Notiq. Dear lovely Lady Shay, thank you for all of your love and support this year. Enjoy your lovely new mauve agenda with inserts. She sent me some inserts. You are a woman of great success. Warmly, VJ founder. So she sent us a little note on her little Notiq pad. Then she gave us a Notiq pad, which I've been using my other one. So I'm glad that I have a new one. And then we have Notiq's mission. And then we have, I don't know what this is called. I think it's a journaling card. It has the Notiq symbol on the front, and then on the back, it has a dot grid, if you can see that. So those are all of our goodies that fell out of our pack. So here is the planner itself. It has the Notiq paper. That's just what I call it. Notiq paper, Notiq envelope, Notiq tape, Notiq whatever. Notiq gift wrap paper and a Notiq sticker. And so opening up, ooh, it's like Christmas. I should have left it under there until Christmas. Now we have another Notiq sticker and what? This is called something. I don't know, we're gonna call it a Notiq planner cover. Oh, she's beautiful. If y'all don't know, purple's my favorite color. And this isn't quite purple, but it's like a spin off of purple, I feel like. And she is gorgeous. Okay, we have the Notiq sign here and that has tape on it, so we'll take that off. Why? I cannot. So this is what it looks like when you open up the planner. And you have like a protector, and then you have another protector. She sent me some inserts. I can't. So here, I cannot. These are the inserts that she sent. It has the Notiq symbol on the front. It's wrapped up in Notiq wrap. It has a Notiq sticker. Come through advertising and marketing and just awesomeness. So this is what it looks like on the front. And then when you open it up, we have 2021, so the calendar here. And then we have this, says 2021 January. And then stop. Now I have a monthly view. I've yet to have, I can't. So I have the monthly view here. And then, ooh, I don't want to get stuff mixed up. Okay. And then you have a monthly brief. So I am changing my guts, so I lied. So my guts will be changing because I can't. And so there's my monthly brief. And then it just repeats itself. So it has all of the months for 2021. So January through December. It has a monthly overview. And then it also has like what do you call them, holidays and such on the months. And then you just get the monthly brief for every month. And it has key dates, goals, tasks, to pay, to buy. So those are some inserts that she sent me. And then she also sent me some more inserts. VJ. Push through, girl. come on through with the come through. So now we have 2021 Recover. That must be like her theme of the year or something like that. And then it has Notiq at the bottom with a little period at the end of the Q. Notiq period. That's how I read that. And then we have a My Vision. And then we have a My Vision on a dot grid. And then we have, ooh, this is dated. So this starts in December. Okay. Oh, I'm using undated inserts right now. So these are the same inserts, they're just dated, and this is what it looks like. So it has top targets, and then it has like another area, and it just kind of looks like this is like a repeat for every single year. So this is the whole entire year. With that being said, am I gonna set up my new planner right now, or are we gonna wait? We're probably gonna set it up right now. BRB. Before I set up the planner, I do want to share with you guys that this is what it looks like on the inside. You have a little card here, and it's just a note from Notiq. Well, it's talking about like vegan leather and handmade in China. That's a dust bag, by the way. Then you have some pockets here. You have gold rings, sorry. And then you have more pockets here. She is beautiful. I think I want to set her up. Hold please. Okay, so I threw in my inserts in my pen, and I also threw the inserts from my current planner, and then I threw in the inserts, all of the inserts that she sent me, which those are for the year 2021. But look at her, she is to die. It does have a pin loop in here. It's kind of like attached to the thing that you use to kind of like clip it shut. But it's here, so it's kind of hidden. So I put my pen in there, and then I put all of the inserts in here, including my dashboards, which are clear that you can probably barely see. Of course, once this gets all set up, I will do a flip through, but I just wanted to unbox this on camera. Look how pretty she is. She is gorgeous, beautiful. She's beautiful. I'll probably not put anything in here. I'm not really that kind of person, but I have everything in here so nicely. And she closes fine. I could probably stand to put a few more inserts in there before the snap closure started like busting at the seams and whatnot, but I am good with this amount of inserts. So anyway, I definitely have a code. Use Shay10 for 10% off. And I just wanted to unbox this with you and show you guys my planner and what I'm gonna be using for 2021. It's not gonna be set up yet. It's November, so there's no way that I could really like set up my planner for 2021, but I did wanna go ahead and add the inserts so I can start planning for next year for sure, especially with the monthly planning. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed seeing my new planner. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.